Table calculations are a special type of calculated fields that computes on the local data in Tableau. They are calculated based on what is it and currently in the visualization and do not consider any measures or dimensions that are filtered out of the visualization. We can use table calculation for various purposes like transforming values to a ranking, transforming values to show percent of total, transforming values to show running totals, and many more. In Tableau, it is very easy to do table calculation. Let us see how to do it. Let us find the order date and drag it to the rows. By default, it will show as year. So now we have to change it to the quarter. So if you simply click on the plus, you can find it will drill down. It will drill down to the quarter. If you again click on this plus symbol, it will drill down to the month. If you again click on this plus, it will drill down to date. So it is actually created as a hierarchy. So now let us have only the quarter order date and month in the in this pane. So simply drag and drop out other things like year and day. Now let us drag the order date again to the columns where it should be the year order date. From the data pane, let us drag sales to the text mark card. So these are the marks card. Let us click and drag sales to the text mark card. Here you can see that it is coming up as a table calculation. Now let us do some calculations into it. Click on the analytics pane. Here you can find various options, that is totals. If you click and drag it, you can find three different one, that is subtotal, column and row grand total. Click on subtotals. You can see the subtotals of every years. Click and drag it again. You can see column grand totals and row grand totals. So this can be done with the analytics pane. We can also do this with an interesting thing that we are going to explore now. Just press Ctrl Z where everything will be undone. So now let's see how to do it. Now click on this sum sales which is available in the marks card and click here edit table calculation. You can see that you have various options like computing. Click on this drop down which is available in the marks card, and now you can see that add table calculation option is available. Click on the add table calculation. Now you can find various options: table across, table down, table across then down, table down then across. Likewise you have various option. Click on any option and now click and drag the sales to the text card. Now click on the drop down and you can select add table calculation. Click on add table calculation where you can find many options here like difference from percentage, difference from percent of total, rank, percentile, running total, moving calculation. Let us click a difference from, and if you click table across, you can see the difference here. If you click table down, you can see the difference, table across then down, table down then across. So you have various options here. So click on table across, and if you close this, you can see the difference over here. Like this, if you want to find the ranking, you can also do that. Click here and go to the edit table calculation, and you can add a rank. You can find the ranking as well, like from the ascending or descending, and you can select the competition. So various things can be done with the table calculation. So this is not for visualization, this is within the table and the values which you are using in your visualization. You can find more exciting features here if you just go and try. Once if you don't want these things, so you can simply click here clear table calculation, which will come back to the normal form.